and I'm so excited to show you guys the next car in our trade up challenge. 2015 Hyundai Sonata Sport. Vroom vroom. Yes, sir, guys, we are back at it again. In this episode, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I get cars from the auction, fix them up, and get them ready for sale, and sell them to make a profit. 3 easy steps that any of you guys can do at home. So make sure you guys follow me in this video so I break down exactly the reasons why I picked out this car. Make sure you guys keep watching so you guys see how it goes for me, because maybe it'll go smoother for you or it might not go as smooth for you. But learning from my mistakes will definitely help you in your journey too. All right, guys, so we're keeping it simple. Just like last time, we're starting with a little bit of money. I'm going to go into exactly how much this car cost me, and we're going to turn it into a lot of money. And each flip brings us closer and closer to our goal of the supercar, guys. So let's go over some of the things that are wrong with this car and some of the things we need to fix to get the most amount of money out of this car. First things first, guys, we have a huge gaping hole in our rear passenger door.
I am having a very bad day. I am in no mood. This today is one of the worst days that I've had in a long time.
I know it looks pretty bad, guys, but honestly, I have done cars worse than this, so this is actually not that bad. I'm going to get into exactly what we're doing with the doors in a minute, but let's show you guys the rest of the damage. So next major but minor point of damage and something we want to fix to make sure we get the most amount of money on this car is the rear view camera is out. It looks like, I don't know how that happened. Someone must have tried to chew it up. They messed it up. It's gone now. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how we get a new one, and we're going to fix that super cheap, super simple. I know that's not going to take too much time or money. Now, the third thing that we need to fix on this Hyundai, super simple, the key. The key is absolutely wrecked. I bought a new key, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how I fixed this key over and once again raise the value of this car. So we have about 3 things wrong with this car, and in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly how I fixed that. Guys, it's super cold out here in the Northeast right now, so bear with me and let's get right into the video. Like, you know, someone that had dogs that owned this car, as I almost tripped and died. I think someone that had dogs owned this car, so it's actually completely filled with dog hair. So let's just show them inside. So the inside is trashed, and you guys know we want to make sure we get the car to the best looking position possible, because that will increase our resale value. As of right now, this door doesn't work, but when we get the new doors, this side should be all situated.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright, guys, and we finally got the doors. You guys see how nice and new they look. We have the back door and the front door. So we're gonna just scrub these down, get them nice and bare, and we're gonna repaint them and paint match it to match the beautiful Sonata black pearl color. I realize a lot of you guys don't know exactly how I get my hands on these cars, and basically when you get into an accident, your insurance has to decide whether the car is repairable or if they want to deem it a loss. Now, the numbers that they do usually have more to do with overpriced labor charges and things like that. So most of the time, they will just sell the car to the auction instead of attempting to fix it, just because it's cheaper for them. Although that does not mean the car is unrepairable. It still has a clean title, so it is still a good, viable car to be on the road. And with my access, I am able to get these cars from the auction. I work with certified repair spots here in my state that are very used to doing things like this, and I can do it at a much lower cost than the insurance. And that's really how someone like me is able to get these cars, get them ready for sale, and sell them to the public. Yeah, and just like we always do, we finally got the car back from the body shop, guys. I'm super excited to finally be able to post this car and see how much we can get for this car. Now, as you guys can see, the car looks good. It might not be perfect, but you have to remember where we started. The car was absolutely wrecked. It was never gonna be on the road again. We fixed it and we got it back in a good sellable condition, guys. All right, guys, and just like last time, we're gonna post it up on Facebook with the same type of pictures and the same details to get the viewers to click and buy. So hopefully the next time I talk to you guys, I've sold this car behind me. I'm just showing you guys how the car came out. You can see the swoop line matches up. The door frames match up pretty good. Like I said, it's not a perfect job. I'm not extremely happy with it, but it looks better than how we got it. So hopefully we can still get the sale and get the money, guys. It looks good, honestly. It looks good. Completely stripped. And once again, guys, no backup camera. Pretty big disappointment. But hopefully we'll get it. All right, guys, so I completely forgot to record it, but you guys can see that camera is smashed. And we were at the junkyard the other day for a couple hours looking for the right one, and we finally have a new one. I forgot to record. I literally just pushed all the pins back in and it's all set. We have a buyer coming out today, so hopefully he likes the entire car and he's ready to take it home. So I'm just gonna finish up what I'm doing back here. I just wanted to show you guys that we do have a new backup camera now. It looks crispy. And we are back at HQ, and you know exactly what that means. That means we completed the mission. And if you guys are new around here, then you're gonna find out that this is exactly what we do at the end of the mission. We get the money. So I know you guys have been waiting. I'm gonna break down exactly how the numbers go. I know you guys only really care about that, so let's get right to it. All right, first off, the car was $2,300. That was right off of the auction website, clean. Now, the funny thing is, to get the car out of the auction, you have to pay things called yard fees. And guess how much they charged me for that? $755. Woo! Could have made almost another $1,000, guys, but it is what it is. We're getting what we're getting, and we're gonna keep it pushing. Next, transportation, $350. It was about a 4-hour ride away from me, so that's how much it was to pick that up. Repair cost. So we took it to our certified Rhode Island insurance repair shop, and it cost us about $1,080. And that wasn't a bad job. They could have done a little better. Hopefully they do it better next time, but it is what it is for now. The parts were a total of $250. It was pretty simple. We just got 2 new doors for the car, so that was pretty straightforward. The paperwork, unfortunately, there's no way around this right now. The paperwork does cost us $300. So you guys can definitely see where there are a couple places in this process where we're spending just a little bit more than I guess we should, but hopefully one day we won't have to spend that much and we could save a lot more money. Cleaning, $70. The guy did a good job. It looks good. It's ready to go. So there's not much explaining to that. And the total of everything was $5,105, guys. That's how much it took me to get the car from looking ugly from the auction to looking ready to sell. And then, if you guys really want to know, I made $6,000 clear on the car. And that is about $895 profit. Yeah, good money, almost a Iraqi, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not mad about that. I'm good with that. I'm happy about that. We'll get them on the next one. You know, not every car you're going to make exactly what you plan to make, but I'm happy we made good money. And that brings our final pot of available money to possibly buy either a supercar or a car for the channel or something like that to $7,395. And if you guys have watched till this point, make sure you guys comment what you think I should get in the comments. Thank you for watching this far. I really appreciate you guys. If you guys found any value in this, make sure you hit the like button so other people can get some value. And if you guys want to see if I finish the challenge or, you know, what the next car looks like and how bad the next car is, make sure you hit that sub button so you know what's going on. So I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. It's your boy Serge. Peace.
Rock bottom make the man and some pressure make a gemstone. Trying to put $1 to my name like Creflo. Not the boy, late to the game. It's in the blood flow. And I'm from the south. It's thick skin and tough bone. Big attitude through big lips with gusto.